Welcome to the exciting world of online learning. You've made a great decision to further your education. It's a flexible and convenient way to learn. We know online learning has unique challenges. We're here to give you the tools to succeed. This video is your guide to navigating the online learning environment. We'll explore practical tips and strategies to overcome common obstacles. Time management, technical difficulties, motivation, and communication can all be hurdles. We'll equip you to handle these challenges with confidence. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Millions of students worldwide have successfully mastered online learning. With the right mindset and approach, you can too. Let's dive in and unlock your full potential. Time management is crucial in the online learning world. You're in charge of your schedule. This freedom can be both a blessing and a challenge. Without the structure of traditional classes, it's easy to get sidetracked. The key is to establish a routine that works for you. Start by creating a dedicated study schedule. Treat your online classes like real classes. Block off specific times in your day for studying. Stick to this schedule as much as possible. Find a quiet study space where you can focus. This could be a corner of your home, a library, or a coffee shop. Minimize distractions. Let your family and friends know when you're in study mode. Embrace technology to supercharge your time management skills. Digital calendars and planners can be game changers. Use them to schedule study sessions, set reminders for assignments, and track deadlines. Try out the Pomodoro technique. This popular method involves working in focused bursts of 25 minutes, followed by short breaks. It's a great way to maintain concentration and prevent burnout. Remember, effective time management is a skill that takes practice. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies. Find what works best for you and watch your productivity soar. Technical difficulties are par for the course in online learning. A reliable internet connection is your lifeline. Ensure you have a strong and stable connection to avoid frustrating interruptions. Keep your devices updated. Regular software updates often include performance enhancements and security patches. This keeps your online learning experience running smoothly. Always have a backup plan. What if your internet goes down or your computer crashes? Identify alternative ways to access course materials and submit assignments. Consider using a public library or a friend's computer in a pinch. Troubleshooting tech issues, your first line of defense. Don't panic when technical glitches arise. Stay calm and try these troubleshooting tips. First, check the obvious. Is your internet connected? Is your device plugged in? A simple restart can often resolve minor issues. Familiarize yourself with your online learning platforms' help resources. They often have FAQs, tutorials, and contact information for technical support. Don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, technical difficulties are temporary roadblocks, not dead ends. With a little patience and problem solving, you can overcome these challenges and get back on track. Staying motivated. The engine of online learning. Staying motivated is essential for success in any learning environment, especially online. Without the physical presence of classmates and instructors, it's easy to feel isolated and lose momentum. Combat this by actively seeking out connections. Join online study groups or forums related to your courses. Engage with your peers, share ideas, and support each other. Find ways to make the learning material relevant to your interests. Look for real-world applications of what you're studying. This can make the material more engaging and boost your motivation. Finding your spark-igniting passion for online studies. Celebrate small victories along the way. Break down large assignments into smaller, more manageable tasks. Reward yourself for completing each milestone. This can help you stay positive and motivated. Remember why you chose to pursue online learning in the first place. What are your goals? Visualize yourself achieving those goals. Let that vision fuel your determination. Don't be afraid to seek support from your instructors, classmates, or academic advisors. They are there to help you succeed. Reach out when you need guidance or encouragement. The power of connection. Thriving in the virtual classroom. Embrace the collaborative nature of online learning. Connect with your peers and instructors regularly. Ask questions, participate in discussions, and seek clarification when needed. Utilize the various communication tools available in your online learning platform. This might include discussion forums, email, instant messaging, and video conferencing. Remember, effective communication is a two-way street. Be an active listener, respect others' opinions, and contribute constructively to the learning community. Building bridges. Effective communication in online learning. When communicating online, be mindful of your tone and clarity. Written communication can sometimes be misinterpreted. Use clear language and proper grammar to ensure your message is understood. Don't hesitate to reach out to your instructors with questions or concerns. They are there to support your learning journey. Schedule virtual office hours or send emails to seek clarification or guidance. Building strong relationships with your peers and instructors can greatly enhance your online learning experience. Embrace the opportunity to connect and learn from others. Overcoming challenges, achieving goals. You've got this. As you navigate the world of online learning, remember that challenges are opportunities for growth. Embrace the flexibility and convenience of this learning format while developing essential skills like time management, communication, and problem solving. Celebrate your progress, learn from your mistakes, and never be afraid to ask for help. With dedication, perseverance, and the right strategies, you can achieve your academic goals and unlock your full potential. Believe in yourself. You've got this. Your online learning adventure awaits. Online learning is a journey filled with possibilities. Embrace the flexibility, convenience, and endless learning opportunities it offers. Remember to prioritize time management, conquer technical challenges, stay motivated, and build strong connections. As you embark on this exciting adventure, keep in mind that you are not alone. Millions of students worldwide have successfully navigated the online learning landscape, and so can you. With the right mindset, strategies, and support system, you can achieve your academic goals and unlock your full potential. So, go forth with confidence, embrace the challenges, and enjoy the rewards of online learning. Your future awaits.